The 2026 Toyota Camry versus the 2026 Kia K5. Let's see which one of these sedans delivers the best blend of style and functionality. Camry has higher EPA estimated MPG ratings than Kia K5 thanks to its standard hybrid powertrain. The 2026 Toyota Camry has higher standard net combined horsepower than Kia K5. Features like an available head-up display and a standard Qi-compatible wireless charger give Camry a functionality edge over K5. Now, let's put Camry and Kia K5 side by side. The Toyota Camry drives into the 2026 model year more than ready to defend its reputation. Camry's lineup consists of 5 grades, including the Nightshade model, all of which have available all-wheel drive. K5's lineup has 4 grades, but its all-wheel drive system is only available on the GT line model. On the outside, the 2026 Toyota Camry rolls out available 19-inch wheels, a feature that K5 matches. Camry ups the style factor with the XSE grade's available two-tone exterior colors that really make it stand out, while Kia's K5 leaves out any equivalent. Want more grade-specific gems? SE, XSE, and Nightshade are ready to oblige with their sport mesh front grille, sport lower rear diffuser, single exhaust with dual chrome finish tips, and racing-inspired front air curtains and front side canards. And if all this wasn't enough, Nightshade grade brings out midnight black metallic exterior accents. K5's grade-specific exterior styling is split amongst its GT line and GT grades. Both the GT line and GT grades have black accents, while standard dual exhaust is specific to the GT line, and standard dual exhaust with quad tips is specific to the GT grades. Finally, Camry has more available ways of taking in the outdoors than K5, since it has an available power moonroof and an available panoramic glass roof. K5 only has an available panoramic sunroof. The 2026 Camry is all about convenience. It has an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that's designed to put key information front and center, as does Kia K5. However, while Camry provides its driver with an available 10-inch head-up display, the 2026 Kia K5 leaves this feature out. To cool things down inside, both vehicles offer standard dual-zone automatic climate control. Camry keeps things comfortable with its available heated and ventilated front seats, which Kia K5 does match. Camry warms things up for drivers too, since there's an available heated steering wheel. This same feature is found on the K5. However, the 2026 Toyota Camry is able to offer its Qi-compatible wireless charging as standard, while the K5 only offers it in higher grades. The 2026 Toyota Camry has the tech features covered, since its Toyota Audio Multimedia System brings intuitive convenience and entertainment through a standard 8-inch touchscreen or an available 12.3-inch version. K5 has a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen. Camry features standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. On the other side, K5 has standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Back to Camry, which has a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin and even more on the Sirius XM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. K5 also has a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial. Additionally, select Camry grades include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. K5 offers similar features through its standard Kia Connect trials. Finally, Camry's available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system provides a high-fidelity listening experience, while K5 does offer an available 12-speaker Bose premium audio system. With the 2026 Toyota Camry, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard. It brings a full range of assistance features, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Kia K5 answers with its standard Kia DriveWise, which has similar features to TSS 3.0. Camry's standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert is designed to help provide added assistance, while available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking is designed to help them maneuver in tight spaces. There's also an available panoramic view monitor that's designed to help navigate tight spots. On the other hand, Kia K5 has standard blind spot collision with avoidance assist and rear cross-traffic collision with avoidance assist. It also has standard front and rear park distance warning and an available 360-degree surround view monitor. Camry's long list of safety features continues with an available front cross-traffic alert. Kia K5 answers with a similar feature. Camry's available rear cross-traffic braking is designed to help you avoid potential collisions when backing up, while K5 has a similar feature. Camry is designed to help everyday commutes thanks to its available traffic jam assist. Finally, Camry's available lane change assist is designed to help make changing lanes easier, while K5 is without any equivalent. The 2026 Toyota Camry has a standard 2.5-liter hybrid system that produces 225 net combined horsepower on front-wheel drive models or 232 horsepower with all-wheel drive. Both of these outputs are considerably more than the 191 horsepower produced by Kia K5's front-wheel drive models. However, the standard 2.5-liter turbocharged engine on the GT grade does produce 290 horsepower. And let's talk Sport Tune suspension. This great performance feature is found on 3 of Camry's grades, SE, Nightshade, and XSE, while K5's offering can only be found on its GT grade. Camry's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive is designed to help enhance performance in all road conditions, while K5's equivalent is limited to the GT line grade. Camry wins out when it comes to efficiency, too, since it has an EPA estimated 51 miles per gallon combined rating on its front-wheel drive LE grade. Kia's K5 falls well behind that, at an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon combined on the LXS grade. Every new Camry includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, and 2 years and unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Kia K5 leaves out any scheduled maintenance. Camry has a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first, and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, whichever comes first. It also includes a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and an additional 10-year or 150,000-mile battery warranty, whichever comes first. K5 offers a limited warranty for 5 years or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first, a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, whichever comes first, and 5 years or 60,000 miles of roadside assistance, whichever comes first. The 2026 Toyota Camry lives up to its legendary reputation. Get into one today at toyota.com.